Have a look.
It's statue. Is it? Oh, I don't know what this is. Little box. Look at you. Okay. Got bubble wrap. Like this.
Moonlight, go. Moonlight, go. Go that way. That's it. That's a big cat, Rita. Oh, Moonlight. Yay. Come here now, Moonlight. Come. Come. That will be your cat, Rita, now. Come.
The bigger it is, the harder it will be to clean.
Because that, we're not going to be mess. Yes.
Oh no.
Oh no, what have you been doing in there now? What have you been doing in there now? Hey? Hey, are you happy with your cat, Lita? That's a big one. Go, Daddy, come on, go. Go. Moonlight, go. Son. Come, come. Come. You're too high, I can't reach you.
Hi.
That's for you, Moonlight. Sunlight, Moonlight.
Mama, tulong. Mama, help me. Mama, help me. He's gonna jump off. Mama. Mama. How do I get down? Wala naman. Mama, help me.